Good morning, everyone. Get ready with me to go celebrate my friend's birthday. This is the sunscreen that I'm using. Ay! Kalimutan ko moisturizer. The next thing I'm gonna use is this brow gel from Nichido. This is from Intuit. Nasira na yung takip. I usually use this as my blush as well. Ano madali? Wait lang, guys. Ayan. Ay. My lip oil is from Miniso. I think this is only 200 something. This is my favorite perfumes as of this moment. Nabili ko to sa Miniso pa rin. Okay, let's go. We are at Save More. May bibilin pa kasi akong sangria kasi I wanna drink sangria and then she haven't tried it yet, so this is the perfect time to buy it. I'm on my way. So, hindi ko na pinapasok yung taxi kasi hindi ako marunong mag-instruct kung saan banda yun sa kanila. So, ayun, lalakarin ko na lang. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. See you sa bahay nila. Guys, yan na yung birthday girl. Nag-ML lang. Walang tulog. Walang ligo. Ayaw ko naligo. Pero
I took a bath yesterday.
Here's the sangria I bought.
Oh my god!
Uy, kung di nakita.
Yeah, po.
Sangria.
Uy, I haven't tried
Tamis
this.
yan.
Really?
Pasikat, guys. Oh. Pasikat, guys. Pasikat.
Aya. Pila ka buok. Oh, perfect.
Ay, perfect.
My god. It's not that perfect right now because my migraine is migraining.
I-charge nyo na ito. Wala, hindi ko din mo be.
Ano saan eh? Ano saan na?
Kuhaan na plus.
Wala nito ito. Roll on nga ha, plus.
Sabi na lang, siguro ako nagpalit.
Ah, good Mitch. Tanaw
Wait
ka
lang. Excited siya, no?
Uy, lamian mo na! Tagpila
Pagbawa
na!
na dyan niya mong kalipay, irong idara.
Tagpila, man ni Mitch!
I think 100
Uy, what
ka.
the efficacy pa, Jud!
Efficacy, tagi mo po ito, no?
Ah, saan nga 7-Eleven na? Naman nakita na ka, nas baka ka.
Saan siguro sa grocery?
Mitch, I want this!
Lalo na dyan mong kalipay ron, guys.
Wait, the dream!
Hindi man siya mag-on.
Thank you so much.
Uy, thank you so much.
I did for that! For the recommendation!
Guys, nag-ilag namin efficacy.
As in, like, look, it's efficacy, like, one of my favorite brands, Jud. And it's a raw killer. And, pakita mo sa details. Look at that. So, after mo siya i-apply, let's say, apply ito siya dire. I know this is not like one of the places we normally apply this to, but yeah, muna na. Namutaan na ang product. Then, you use this kuan. Murag sa mani, uy, mga gagmay nga, kuan, like that. Uy, nito sa pili. Oh my God. Sakto pagkadala naman yung siya, niya. Na, oh my God, I'm gonna try this on. I'm so happy with this. So happy. And wala ko nag-exaggerate. Actually, so, murag, if you give the name Shalon, I will gladly accept. Dili day. Kay need day po din niya as an auntie. Kira?
Ano sikit, no?
Mo gani. So, I dili at isulti para dili ma-jinx kay. Or, pwede mo na i-upload after.
We're hoping.
We really hope. Kate is applying for a job right now.
Ayun na kuan ka to ra sa birthday kay ma-jinx ta kanimo mo ito.
Sige, basta.
Muling viewers ba dyan na evil eye? Sino?
Piling mo, why viewers niya? Evil eye ang joti.
Nabilin niya ta akong dress diri.
I don't believe in, gilabhan na ako. Di ko tuon ng mga evil eye, because I believe in God.
The Father of, sorry Lord.
Sige bayot. Sige.
Nabud ako ulo ang dito, babe.
No, it's mine now. Wait lang. Magkuan sa akong mag-apply sa ko daan sa akong
Ngayon naman ni moisturizer. Anong gitibok lang.
Hala, okay ra ka ni gamutan ko niya nag-retinol ba ako gabi. Speaking of salon pass. Kabalo ba kang ngani salon pass na mahaplas?
Wala.
The celebration of my birthday is gonna be the whole weekend, actually including Monday. So, so oh my God, I feel so social already. Yeah, I filed a leave na and it got approved right away. So, so yesterday, more of like the, prayer and everything. And today, I know, serious ang prayer ba yun?
And then
today, we rented an Airbnb at Aeon Towers.
Asa yung Aeon Towers?
Abriza. Kado na Abriza.
Yeah.
Abriza. Then there's like a building ang palang kay Inspiria. Condominium building gapon. Next ana. Di ba ko kayo? Mayo, ayun katong nagka-cafe ta ba? Nga naay jazz music.
Ningaw lagi to.
I love it. I love the vibe. Ganang ko gadto.
And then, the plan is, first, mag-buy sila ingredients sa amo lutuon.
And then gamay ra mo food lutuon kay we are literally only 4. So
Pero mahal.
but another thing that I love about
But
the
it's
celebration kay aside from like the whole weekend M is alive, the like how intimate the celebration is. It's like it's
Oh,
just
like
like
4 lang,
yeah, 4 lang, and like I really value those people. Wow.
Talaga.
Kate, we miss you. Ikaw untay ka upat, papaon ta na musike. Ay.
And then, hay nako! And then, magluto pa daan.
Magluto may dinidaan so that ang tanong time na to magnap.
Oh, yeah.
The
Magluto may
tita
daan.
and us want to nap.
Unya, mag-club nyo.
Pero here's the itinerary. Check-in, nap, swim,
And then-
prepare,
Dinner.
dinner, then I don't know.
Nap na po.
Nap na po.
Then, in the
Nap, and then
club.
we'll hit the club. We have to have a nap before we hit the club. Kay, again, the tita and us.
What if mag-ana na ko dito? Makitaan ko rin mo sa club ba? Nag-ana ra.
Wow!
Nakatulog ang tita.
Makalagot man good. Oy, kaya nga lang mga club, kaya nga lang dugay mo magsugod. Like,
No, magsugod na tag 6. Kaya para sa
Wali.
mga tao mabisi.
then para makatugtag sa you guys. Obviously, nagkauli matug. Then we'll check out at 12 noon tomorrow.
No, we're gonna wake up early pa to swim.
How the ay.
And
Yeah.
then-
Hopefully we're not too hungover for that. You know what? I'm just
Wala
gonna...
gani nag-hangover na mag-swim.
Sige, fine. But I'll just have one cocktail and I
Yeah,
know
me
nga
too. I think
mahubog
I'm
na ko
gonna
sa
get daiquiri.
out. And then I know it's gonna be like, I mean, I've had long couple of weeks na jud. It's been like, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks. Like, my hair is literally thinning from the stress from work lately. So I really need this freaking massage. So magpa-massage me tomorrow. And then I'm gonna sleep the moment I get home, the moment we get home, I'm gonna hit the sack and like, I don't know, wake up the next day.
Gravy mix.
Oh,
Kasi we're
perfect.
gonna buy fried chicken and then this cheddar sauce.
Oh.
Cheddar cheese sauce. I'm gonna put sa lasagna.
Perfect.
Cheesy.
So, amo ang lutoon lang is she's gonna cook the beef broccoli. I'm gonna prepare the lasagna. And then we already have cake. And then literally 4 people rami. So, I don't wanna like, what's the point of like having lots of food, diba? We'll see
Are we
later.
gonna order pizza?
I want to. I really want to. I think we don't have to order kay. Literally, a brisa is like, I don't know.
Naya sa narang na brisa.
Yes, nah.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna post the video. We're gonna like maybe eat
So see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
We're on our way.
We're on our way to the Airbnb. It's almost 2:30 and our check-in time is 2 p.m.
Filipino time.
It's
Pero
their
nag-text
fault.
naman ako.
It's your fault lang, ano?
Sige.
Sige.
Yes na lang.
Yes na lang. Funny kay daghan kay mi og gibit-bit. Pero Mitch made sure to secure the sangria.
Sangria dyan dapat. But 10% alcohol pala siya.
Wag lang si Bibo ka na kay 10%.
Stressful kay guys.
Hmm?
Kailangan ako mag-billiard.
Kung gusto ko
Wala
mag-billiard.
gusto siya mag-billiard.
Taga mag-billiard ta.
Pero humpiang ha, dili po di laki-laki kay...
Ganso kayo na.
Ay, gusto dyan ka mag-pizza.
Yeah. So, nanami sa Aeon and we're on our way to our room right now. Kaning isa kay nagitom hapit mabilin kay wala hapit di kasud kay walay ID. Tapos nakadado siyang ID, hapit di dawaton kay dako ra daw kayo.
Kapit na din naigo.
Wala ka dira oy, di ka makuan.
So, room tour with the birthday girl. Uy, puti. Sorry. Sorry talaga.
Okay.
May shurak dito.
Perfect. So,
First, magpalit muna tayo. This is the kitchen.
we're gonna do a room tour. Night heater, induction. Everything's here actually.
The fridge, naka-on ang fridge. Ay, pangitag wine glass daw.
Oh, let's check.
But working naman daw yung oven. Wala, andira.
I don't
Hello guys.
Get
Ay,
ready to
Naka-on na siya. Ay, ibutang na itong wine.
Also have
Where's the
bottled
wine?
water guys.
Where's the wine?
From Williams Water.
Nasi ang bag. Yung bag. Maglibak.
This is the dining and living. Sorry sa kalat, guys. Alam mo tayo na naka-mag-room tour?
Okay, so this is the living room / kitchen area as well. So we have a huge ass TV here, and then follow me.
It's so against the light kasi gato.
So I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom.
The bathroom.
Here's the switch. Here's the bathroom, a full bathroom with a shower.
Guys, look at our fit, guys. Black and white.
We're like a chessboard.
Look, oh, parang chessboard.
And this is the storage. Lots of storage room here, actually. Guys, you might want to put your stuffs here. And this is the towel, so extra everything, like the.
Oh, there's 2 TV pala. I think that's 50 inches na TV. Oy, tama. Maglahi tagtanaw.
Yes. And then this is the view. This is the view. So we were kind of expecting
Ocean
an
view.
But
It's
Michelle, if you
okay.
remember sa tong conversation, what ta nag-ocean view.
Yeah.
So instead, I don't know which street this is. Langga-asa ni nga street. Airplane, inkuan.
Hala na intro! Intro! Tama kayo ang chessboard. Oy. Mas maklaro diri.
chessboard.
And the bed is so big.
Bed test.
Nakuha sila aircon ay.
Wait, it's so, no. It's
And there's the toiletries. Nagdulap ko naman kami.
Ay, sakto na po nagdala ko conditioner.
Yeah.
We're so excited to go to the pool. I mean, I am.
Yeah, I'm so excited to go to kada ko silang aircon ay.
I don't want to unpack.
That's
because
for
we're
our room tour.
room tour.
We're going to nap now.
Yep, we're going to take a nap kay, I don't know, pila ka hours ang sleep ni Mitch.
4 hours.
I didn't sleep.
Gani!
Tas nag-cook pa jud me. So, I love it.
Hey, I like the bed.
I like the bed. You know, I would have loved the view. I mean, the view's not bad, but I would have loved it if like di na ko makita ni mga katupag-tupag diri sa
Yeah.
it's maybe because we're on the 18th floor. Like if maybe if we were on the 26th floor of the ocean.
Dali ra lagi 18th floor.
Dali ay kaya to no. Let's check on the place and let's.
Guys, we'll be back. Pag mag-swimming na or mga ano?
No, we have to go to the mall first. We have to buy some.
Sila no, Long B? Di daw sila mo palit og bugas, guys. Kay madlock sila sa elevator.
Tapos mag-jupod ka.
Basta yung kuwan.
Naguratan kay kuno kay na nagkalit.
Pero mo ditong usod kayo ang anak kay paspas ni pud.
Nakadlag, gusto ka na yun.
Yeah.
Nakadlag. Gago! May balang na dyan. Wala di ka nang... Oh, gapo ay tapsik ka. Uy, ito yung stick.
Service ko lagi ako nakakuan.
Yan, ikaw ay overload.
Ah, chopstick. Ano?
Kate, we missed you.
Dali mo spot kit o dali man ka.
Mami kong nagibangko na. Ano ba isa na? Hindi na mabusog ba hindi ka na. Sila diba?
Meow, meow.
Jara?
Uy, ulitin mo na.
Kuan?
Iya,
Review kaya mag-prito na lang.
We're going to the pool now. But before that, gotta take a shot. Di ka ma-shot, Far?
No thanks.
Cheers.
Wow. So good.
Oh, so good. Di tamis na shot.
Yeah, tagal.
Wanna try? Sino siya ba? What?
That's ay.
Okay. I think I'm gonna need another shot because it's so good. It's not try nyo na to. This one. So good. It's so sweet. So sweet and fruity.
Ang jaway na.
Haman. Cheers.
Para sa rin.
Ah. Mayasa. Mayasa eh.
Beware of door closing.
Okay.
We're going to the pool. Paspas na po di kaayo.
Mana ako tata?
Paspas na siya.
Yung bito ulit.
Nice, 6 litso. Gibali naman.
Door open.
Okay.
That's their cafe. Cafe and lounge. Lounge area. I think pwede diri yeah. Yeah. So pretty. We're going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship. Park. Ayun ba na siya?
I'm sorry.
We're at the pool na. But it's not heated, so...
Basta hindi ko di ba kay siya yun yung bugnaw. Base sa kamot pa lang ganun.
Ayan. Dagan kayo good. Turned out. Ay, sobrang lamig.
Excited ka ayaw yung mag-pool.
May tuglaw ka. Ayun.
Gisawa ko nakabasag hitig nga pool. Uy.
Buot lagi no sa hitid ko no.
Yan, paglayat, kinukit.
Yaks, nang
Ay, nangyayang yaks! Ano man, nagitog na man ni guys.
tugnaw diri, tugnaw sa kwarto.
Basin sa bilyaran, mas tugnaw.
Ato luho po do CR.
Amo si agad kay hited.
Ha?
Abot tata.
Ipanog na sila guys. Naluya naman na yung
Mas
kauban.
turbo.
Naluya na ang birthday girl. Luya, di na.
Oo, easy na.
Pumunti po. Pumunti pagsulod. Yung ko ma-enjoy. So, ito na yung view at night.
Asa mo tama ka? 2 million.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Yung plano kay na vlog. Kaniang street.
Burikat.
We can't look. We can't look. Guys, change of plans! Ang mga tita! Instead of going to the club, we're just gonna watch horror movie. Mag-watch na lang kami ng horror movies sa Netflix.
Because this tita right here,
The birthday girl.
it's somehow 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Pero, Diyos ko, mag-8 p.m.
What time? Yung show
pa
imong
lang.
clock. Imong time.
7:54.
7 po?
Yes, Mima. Di maklaro. Di maklaro.
Basta. 7 pa lang? Tapos kami.
Uy, Diyos ko, feels like
Mga tita. So, cancel yung club. Cancel yung billiard.
Maybe,
Bagong plan na lang is Netflix.
maybe like, we'll go clubbing when we have the like full energy and fully recharged. Walang other activities prior.
May na lang nagpalit kog wine.
Oh,
Good thing I got the wine. No, baka po yung mga score.
Hindi ko nga nakayuts.
Huwag sinisalidat Netflix ron. Taas pa kayong oras. Ito daw kung kaon galing. Nakalimot ko.
Importante yung warto to. Wala mong isang puta yung puti. At isa ko nakilala ko.
Kasama ko mag-movie marathon. Tulog na.
Oh, balik.
I'm eating pizza.
Oh, di ba? Ito.
We're watching this Indonesian horror. Sobrang ganda talaga ng mga horror stories ng mga Thai tsaka Indonesian. Sobrang nakakatakot. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.
kasi may phone ba
Check
yun?
out. Gabunta. Check out na kami, guys.
Ano ta?
Last part of our birthday, last part of her birthday celebration.
We're going to get some massages because after all the kiat and the
Naka-pajama kasi walking distance lang sa bahay nila yung massage.
and I think this is like the best place to get massages right now kay bago pa sila ka-open.
Wait, natin ka doon.
Bago pa sila ka-open, so everything is brand new and hindi pa used ang mga towels and everything.
So this is the massage place. Ay, dili maklaro. It's called Thai Boran. Ay, nasa na QR code. Ay, ano sa pa available ninyo?
Available natin na is ito, Thai body, Thai food, Thai Swedish, and combo.
Ah, sige po. may isa nakatulog. Ay, sorry. May kayang tulog. Hindi na gusto mo bakod. Then we have our complimentary tea. Tell me if it's good. What's your flavor? Green tea. Ibang hinaw din is kamu ba? Kamu na ignorante lagi may. Excuse me, ma'am, para asa?
Yes, ma'am. Pwede siya sa face pack. Tanggal din siya sa mga oils.
Ah, okay.
I'm only 3 hours, so my body 3 hours.
Tomorrow you're gonna opening your
Yes, yes. Bakit 10%? Yes. That's
really? Tomorrow po, noon. Para po ang promo mo.
Gituhit siya na nila mamba. Wala na mo manami.
Pwede na nga lang. Tulog, nakabukong ba na lang ito.